ओके आजको हाम्रो विषय नोट छ नेपालबाट हामी पढ्नेछ फोर्थ सेमेस्टरको अपरेटिङ सिस्टम हो फोर्थ सेमेस्टर अपरेटिङ सिस्टम नोट दियो रहेको रहेछ इन्ट्रोडक्सन टु अपरेटिङ सिस्टम रहेको छ हामी यही हेर्नेछ ल इन्स्ट्रक्टर इन्जिनियर सौरभ करण रहेको हुनुहुँदो रहेछ अपरेटिङ सिस्टम सुरुमा युजर्स हुन्छ त्यस पछाडि एप्लिकेसन हुन्छ अपरेटिङ सिस्टम हुन्छ अनि हार्डवेयर हुन्छ टेक्स्टबुकहरू आएको छ रिफरेन्सहरू आएको छ इन्टरनल एसाइनमेन्ट भाइभा प्रोसेस बेसिक इलिमेन्ट प्रोसेसर आइओ मोडुलस मेन मेमोरी सिस्टम बस रहेको छ प्रोसेस अर्थमेटिक लोजिक युनिट अनि कन्ट्रोल युनिट रिफर्ड एट द सेन्ट्रल प्रोसेसिङ युनिट सिपियु रहेको छ कन्ट्रोल युनिट कन्ट्रोल द अपरेसन अफ द कम्प्युटर पर्फर्म द डाटा प्रोसेसिङ फङ्सन मेन मेमोरी volatile contents of the main memory is lost when the computer is shut down, referred to as the primary memory RAM. IO modulus. IO modulus input output module is the device that acts as the connective bridge between a computer system at one end an IO or the peripheral device at the other, such as printer, webcam, or the scanner. Moves data between the computer and the external environment such as storage, hard drive, etc. Communication equipment, terminal, system bus provide communication among the processor, main memory, IO modular, CPU, memory, input output, control bus, address bus, data bus, a computer system and architecture, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit, output device, input unit. It provide data and instruction to the computer system. Commonly used input device are keyboard, mouse, magnetic tape, etc. Input unit performs following tasks: accept the data and instruction from the outside environment, convert it into the machine language, supply the converted data into the computer system, input device, output device, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, memory unit, output unit. It connect the internal computer system of a computer to the external environment. It provide the result of any computation or the instruction of the outside old some output device are the printer monitor etc input device output device control unit arithmetic logic unit register PC CIR AC MAR MDR memory unit storage unit memory unit it holds the data and instruction it stores the intermediate result before are sent to the output device it was or stores the data for the later use the storage unit of the computer system can be divided into two categories primary storage, secondary storage. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, output device, input device, memory unit. Primary storage, the memory used to store the data and instruction which is being currently executed. It is used for the temporary storage of the data. When the data is lost, when the computer is switched off, RAM is used as in primary storage. Input device, output device, memory unit, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit. Secondary storage is slower and cheaper than the primary memory. It is used for the permanent storage of the data commonly used in the secondary memory devices, hard disk, CD, control unit, arithmetic logic unit. A central processing unit, arithmetic logic unit, and the control unit are together to known as the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs the following tasks: perform all the operation, take all the decision, control all the unit of the computer. Arithmetic logic unit calculation of performed in the ALU of a computer system. The ALU can perform the basic operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Whenever the calculation are required, the control unit transfer the data from storage unit to ALU. When the operation are done, the result is transferred back to the storage unit, the control unit. It control all the other unit of the computer. It control the flow of data and instruction in the computer from storage unit to the ALU. It is also known as the central nervous system of the computer. History, introduction, and generation of the operating system, objective, resource manager, and extended machine, types of operating system, function of operating system. Bill Gates termed Windows 1.0 a unique software designed for the serious PC user. It allows the users to point, click, and access the program. Application included a paint, a calculator, card file, notepad, and write word processor. Some interesting fact about Windows 1.0 1985. Windows 1.0 had a color of 16-bit interface, which was less than 1 MB in size. It requires a minimum 256 KB double size floppy disk drive and graphics adapter card. History and generation of the operating system, processor, RAM, keyboard and mouse, hard disk, monitor, printer. Definition of operating system: it is the software layer nearest to the hardware which facilitates the launching of all the other software utility and application. An operating system is a collection of software that manage hardware resources, provide the various services to the users. It acts as an intermediary between the users of the computer and computer hardware. Example of the operating system: Windows operating system, Ubuntu, Linux operating system, and Mac OS operating system. Where the OS lie: interaction, web browser, image reader, music player, software, user program, operating system. OS lies between the hardware and user program. It acts as intermediary between the user and the hardware. User in the OS facilitate of the resources. For instance, computer game, email, browsing, preparing the document are, yeah, application launch was by simply clicking on the clue icon. User 1, user 2, user n. System and application program, operating system, computer hardware. Mode of operation of computer: kernel mode. It has a complete access to all the hardware. It can execute any instruction that a machine is capable of executing. It has a high privilege right. User mode: it can execute only subset few of the machine instruction. It has less privilege right. Web browser, email reader, music player. User mode, kernel mode, SW. How the switch occur: web browser, turbo C, music player, user program, operating system, SW. And the user mode program performs the tap operation. Writing, user is writing program in the C. Once finishing will execute on it. History of the operating system: vacuum tubes, transistor and batch system, IC and multi-programming, personal computer. And history of the first generation operating system: vacuum tubes and the plug board are used in this. Vacuum tubes and the plug board. History of second generation transistor are used in this system. The machine that are purchased are called the mainframe computer. Batch system was purchased. History of OS third generation 1965 integrated circuit, ICS, are used in place of transistor. And this computer, it provides the multi-programming ability to have the several program in the memory at once, and each in its own memory partition. History of fourth generation computer use a large scale integration circuit chips containing thousands of the transistors are used in this system. Okay, we have read the first unit of operating system. Okay, now on the second unit we'll discuss on later new topic. Okay, thanks for your precious time.